Did you know that you probably drink a drink every day that is harmful to your kidneys? Here are 15 drinks that can negatively impact your kidney health and should be limited or avoided. Number 1. Fruit juices. While natural, unsweetened fruit juices can be part of a healthy diet, many commercial fruit juices are packed with added sugars, which can have a detrimental effect on kidney health. Excessive sugar intake can lead to obesity and diabetes, two of the leading causes of kidney disease. High sugar content in juices also contributes to inflammation, which can accelerate kidney damage. Even 100% natural fruit juices should be consumed in moderation, as they can still be high in natural sugars. It's essential to monitor your sugar intake and opt for whole fruits instead of sugary drinks to help protect your kidneys. Number 2. Flavored waters. While flavored waters might seem like a healthy choice, many commercially available versions contain added sugars, artificial sweeteners, and preservatives. These ingredients can contribute to weight gain, insulin resistance, and high blood pressure, all of which can harm kidney health. Some flavored waters also contain high levels of sodium, which can lead to water retention and increased strain on the kidneys. If you enjoy flavored water, consider infusing your own with fresh fruits, herbs, or cucumber slices for a healthier, kidney-friendly option. This allows you to enjoy a refreshing beverage without the added sugars or harmful additives. Number 3. Sweetened Ice Teas. Sweetened iced teas are another drink that can harm kidney health due to their high sugar content. Many bottled or restaurant-prepared iced teas contain excessive amounts of added sugars, which can contribute to weight gain, diabetes, and high blood pressure, all of which can lead to kidney damage over time. Furthermore, iced teas often contain oxalates, compounds that can contribute to kidney stone formation. People prone to kidney stones or kidney disease should avoid or limit iced tea consumption, particularly sweetened versions, to protect their kidneys. Number 4. Processed vegetable juices. While vegetable juices are often viewed as healthy, many processed or bottled versions are loaded with added sodium to enhance flavor and preserve freshness. High sodium levels can lead to fluid retention and increased blood pressure, which puts significant stress on the kidneys. People with compromised kidney function or those at risk of kidney disease should avoid these high-sodium juices. Instead of consuming store-bought vegetable juices, opt for making fresh, homemade versions using low-potassium vegetables like cucumber, lettuce, or bell peppers. This way, you can control the sodium levels and create a kidney-friendly beverage that supports overall health. If you want to take steps to improve your health, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Number 5. Soda. Sodas, both regular and diet, are notorious for being harmful to kidney health. Regular sodas are loaded with sugar, which can contribute to obesity, diabetes, and high blood pressure, 3 major risk factors for kidney disease. The excessive consumption of sugary drinks can lead to insulin resistance, causing further damage to the kidneys over time. Diet sodas are no better. Though they lack sugar, they often contain artificial sweeteners like aspartame and saccharin, which can still negatively affect kidney function. Additionally, many sodas contain phosphoric acid, which can lead to kidney stone formation and damage kidney tissue. Avoiding sodas entirely is one of the best steps you can take to protect and heal your kidneys. Number 6. Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate is a comforting drink, but it is often high in sugar and fat, which can strain the kidneys, particularly for those with kidney disease. The combination of sugar and dairy in hot chocolate can contribute to weight gain, high blood sugar, and elevated blood pressure, all of which can exacerbate kidney damage. Additionally, hot chocolate contains oxalates, which can contribute to kidney stone formation. If you're looking to protect your kidneys, it's best to avoid sugary drinks like hot chocolate and opt for healthier warm beverages like herbal teas. Number 7. Sports drinks. Sports drinks are often marketed as hydrating, but they contain high levels of sugar and electrolytes, which can be detrimental to kidney health, particularly for those with kidney disease. While these drinks are designed to replenish electrolytes lost during intense exercise, they are unnecessary for most people and can contribute to kidney issues when consumed regularly. The high sodium and potassium content in sports drinks can cause electrolyte imbalances in people with impaired kidney function. For those with kidney disease or high blood pressure, it's best to avoid sports drinks and focus on staying hydrated with plain water. Number 8. Bottled smoothies. Bottled smoothies, while marketed as healthy, can often contain high levels of sugar, artificial ingredients, and preservatives, which can harm kidney health. Many pre-made smoothies contain fruit concentrates or added sweeteners that increase the overall sugar content, contributing to high blood sugar levels and weight gain. For those with kidney concerns, it's best to make smoothies at home using fresh, low-potassium fruits and vegetables. This way, you can control the ingredients and ensure you're getting a kidney-friendly, nutritious drink without the added sugar and artificial ingredients. Number 9. Milkshakes. Milkshakes are a sugary, high-calorie drink that can wreak havoc on kidney health. The combination of sugar, fat, and calories in milkshakes can contribute to obesity and high blood sugar levels, both of which increase the risk of kidney disease. Additionally, milkshakes often contain large amounts of dairy, which can be problematic for people with kidney disease due to their high phosphorus and potassium content. If you're trying to heal your kidneys, it's important to avoid milkshakes, as they can lead to increased kidney strain. Opting for healthier, low-sugar alternatives like smoothies made with kidney-friendly fruits and vegetables is a much better option. Number 10. Coffee. Coffee, when consumed in moderation, may not pose a significant risk to kidney health, but excessive consumption can be problematic. High caffeine intake can increase blood pressure, which puts additional strain on the kidneys and can worsen existing kidney conditions. Caffeine is also a diuretic, which can lead to dehydration if not balanced with adequate water intake. For people with kidney disease or those looking to heal their kidneys, it's important to limit coffee consumption to 1 or 2 cups a day. Switching to decaffeinated options or herbal teas may be a better alternative for those concerned about their kidney health. Number 11. Flavored milk. Flavored milk, such as strawberry or vanilla milk, is often loaded with added sugars, artificial flavors, and sometimes even extra fat. This combination can contribute to weight gain, high blood sugar, and elevated blood pressure. The high sugar content puts extra strain on the kidneys, especially for individuals with pre-existing kidney conditions or diabetes. Moreover, flavored milk may contain additional phosphorus, which can be problematic for those with compromised kidney function, as the kidneys may struggle to filter out excess phosphorus. Switching to unsweetened, low-fat, or plant-based milk alternatives is a much healthier option for protecting kidney health. Number 12. Coconut water. Coconut water is often marketed as a health drink due to its high electrolyte content, but not all coconut water is created equal. Many commercial brands add sugars and flavorings, which can increase blood sugar levels and strain the kidneys. Additionally, coconut water is naturally high in potassium, which can be problematic for individuals with kidney disease, as the kidneys may have difficulty filtering out excess potassium. If you enjoy coconut water, it's essential to opt for unsweetened, natural versions and monitor potassium intake, especially if you have kidney issues. Number 13. Hot cider mixes. Hot cider mixes are popular in colder months, but they are often packed with sugars, preservatives, and artificial flavors that can harm kidney health. These prepackaged drinks often contain high levels of sugar, which can elevate blood sugar levels, increase blood pressure, and contribute to weight gain. If you enjoy the flavor of hot cider, a healthier alternative would be to make your own using fresh apples or unsweetened apple juice and adding spices like cinnamon. This allows you to control the sugar content and avoid harmful additives that can stress your kidneys. Number 14. Energy drinks. Energy drinks are high in caffeine, sugar, and artificial additives, all of which can have negative effects on kidney function. Caffeine acts as a diuretic, causing dehydration, which forces the kidneys to work harder to regulate fluid levels in the body. The high levels of sugar and artificial ingredients in energy drinks also increase the risk of kidney damage and stones. Additionally, regular consumption of energy drinks can lead to spikes in blood pressure, and worsen cardiovascular health, both of which are linked to declining kidney function. If you're looking to heal your kidneys, it's best to eliminate energy drinks from your diet entirely. Number 15. Alcohol. Alcohol is a known toxin that can cause significant strain on the kidneys, especially when consumed in excess. The kidneys must work harder to filter out the byproducts of alcohol, which can lead to dehydration and an increased risk of kidney damage. Chronic alcohol consumption can lead to a range of kidney problems, including kidney failure and the development of kidney stones. For people with existing kidney issues, even moderate alcohol consumption can exacerbate their condition. Alcohol also raises blood pressure, another risk factor for kidney damage. Limiting or avoiding alcohol is a critical step in maintaining healthy kidneys and supporting the healing process. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and for more amazing videos, subscribe to our channel.